Well, hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to Life on the Ranch. It's a nice sunny afternoon. Today we're having a barbecue bonfire cookout. Well, we got our coals just about ready. Just gotta burn down these logs in another few minutes. Well, as we're burning down the coals, maybe we'll jump into the prep house and get some work done outside, should we? Let's wander on over there. Doesn't even look like it's 256 steps away. So we're in luck. It's a close one. There's Bobo. Say woof, Bobo. Come in, we'll set up for a landing up here maybe. We'll be right back. Alright, we have returned. So at this point we're going to finish by... Now we might as well finish by cutting up our celery root. We got this round vegetable here. In the end, you want to kind of look like these vegetables here. Coins. Now there's a couple ways you can do it. You can hack all the way through, chop, chop, chop. Or you can do like I do. You can go most of the way through, chop, chop, chop. Then you have the uneven end. You still have all these even coins. And to finish it off, you just go back and you cut off all the uneven coins. There you have it, even coins. Every time. Same thickness. Bada boom, right? If you have skills, you follow the center of the seed line. Bada boom, bada boom. And then you just cut the seed line out. We're going to just throw that into the waste basket so we have somewhere to put these things. Somewhere we'll dump that can be right there. So you keep the edge of the knife at the seed line. And it just comes clean off. Take the seeds to the composter for the animals. Take the pieces, have them lined up. Let's just fit on that way better. Now you want the salt. Ta-da. Then you want some circa 99 extra virgin olive oil, straight from the heart of Italy. There it is. You just slather these all up. Both sides good and good. We'll see you back at the bonfire. Alright, we're back. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. Today's sponsor, our video, is brought to you by Food. With additional sponsor being Cast Iron. Cast Iron. Sponsoring the cooking of food since its invention. I don't know where you keep your cast iron, but I keep mine in the microwave for safe storage. So soon we're going to want to throw this pan on, get it nice and scorching hot. We'll be back when we do that later. Hey, I was thinking we should go check back in on the fire. There's our frying pan out here, collecting up some Be-Not Cold. Be-Not Cold. Absorbing. Fire's doing good. Still got some kind of high flames though. Smoke in the lens isn't helping you guys any, is it? There you go, you see the pan absorbing the Be-Not Cold. Fire burning down a little bit. The flames are still a little bit hot though. We need them to burn down a little bit more so we can get coals. Once we're at that point, we can throw the grill on, start heating the pan. We'll soon be grilling asparagus, zucchinis. We have pork chops stashed away. We'll get those out, salt them up. We'll show you that soon. Got some corn. We're going to do blackened corn on here. Grilled zucchini. Grilled pork chops. Blackened skillet fried corn. It's going to be a good feast, legends. If you like good home country cooking food, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Want to see more of this country cooking kind of food, go ahead and sub. We do these videos once in a while. We also show other stuff, like cutting down trees, or walking with doggies, or working with animals. So if you like that kind of stuff, we'll see you in the next one. You're a legend. Anyway, I should probably jump back to the kitchen. I hear it's almost ready for that time again. Alright, legends, we're back. It's 4 a.m. on a Tuesday morning. We haven't slept for how we're kidding. It's only been a couple minutes. At this point, we're just going to pull out our pork. Get that starting to season up. This is always the last part that you want to do, is your meat. Do your meat last, because everything that touches you got to sacrifice and wash. Alright, so you got your pork chops. So now what you want to do is take them out, set them down. You can see the 3 different cuts that you got off the beginning. You got a little bit of the bone here, you got a bit of the bone and a bit of the bone here, and all of the bone along here, but nothing anywhere else. So now you only got the bone on the top. That's a bit of the ribs. This is a whole tenderloin. So those are tenderloin rib chops. And yes, that's exactly their name on the shelf ribs, or the shelf store too. Tenderloin rib chops. So next, after you get them all laid out, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Flip them over. Notice a bit of bone and a little bit of bone there. Bone, bone, lots of bone. Lots of bone. Lots of bone. Say it with me now. Lots of bone. So you can see how the bone went through and intersect end-to-end cuts. Season it this side as well, salt and pepper. Go ahead and leave a comment. I want to hear if I did anything wrong. I want to hear from all of you. Let me know. And so they don't stick, just a little drip of olive oil. Get them slathered, flipped. Slathered again. So I don't contaminate the oil bottle. I just used my clean hand to dump it the second time. First time both hands were clean. I wasn't rubbing the meat with that hand. I had that hand's oil and meat on it. I don't want that all over the lid bottle of it, do I? Gross. Put the lid back on our oil. We've got that cleaned up. We got two different colors. We've come on which one should be dirty and clean, which one clean. Should this be dirty and this clean, or is this dirty and this clean? Which do you like? Myself, I'm going with this one because it was on top. So I'm going to take and throw these seasoned, oily pork and choppos right here on the metal plating. Perfect. Now they're seasoned, ready to rock and or roll. I will jump back and look at the fire, see how it's doing. I'm going to put our pork chops back in the cupboard. And we'll see you shortly. How's that fire look, legends? Coals look ready? Hot and fantastic. We're just about ready to start the grilling half of our lunch out here on the ranch. Flames are nice and low, just that little piece of hard log. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up if you think we should add the grate at this point. That'd be great. There it is, get the grate on halfway. Balance on each side. We're at 14 minutes already. Well, we better get this thing on, starting to warm a little bit. It looks like the coldest spot to start with right now. Back here. Get that getting its not cold on. It's getting the opposite of it's not cold on. It's getting its warm on. Warm on. Where am I going to stick my cooking grids? don't you go ahead and leave a comment. Where am I going to stick my cooking grids? Spot 1, am I going to stick a cooking grid along here in front, and then another one going up the side. Spot 2, am I going to put one here on the front, and then a second one right here behind it. Spot 3, am I going to put one back here, another one over here. Spot 4, am I going to put one back here, and one coming down along here. Spot 5, back here, and back here. Spot 6, over here, and back here, but on an angle. So it goes kind of this way over here, and this way over here. Spot 7, on an angle this way, and on an angle this way. Spot 8, not at all. Well, leave a comment of which of the 8 locations you think I might do it on. And we'll see which one I end up doing it with. We'll see when we got it set. Alright, we're back. Oh, fresh from the bottom drawer. We got frozen corn. And that's some black corn here. It's always a nice sound to hear, isn't it, legends? Sizzle, sizzle. You got to hear that. I got to get this. We're almost ready to add our grates. And tongue can leave these things around. I need these things so I can move this thing around, you know? There it is, legends. Who got it right? Go ahead and leave a comment below on your original commented guess as to who got it right. Now let's get back with the rest of our goods. But wait, he's back with a last minute game changer. Set up the grills differently again. Wow, hey ho, let's go. Well, Legendary Terry, we're going to start by turning the corn a little bit. Turn that down. We got chops. I'm going to start throwing those on the grill here. Them chopping out. Try and just use one slide for meat. Here's the other slide for the veg that we got. Chops on one side. Next up, veg root. Charcuterie. Put on our celery root. Can't have it hanging on the raw meat. It's not going to cook properly that way, you know. Let's see. Zeke's will just have to hold, I guess. We'll be back as they cook further. Yeah, so that's why it's important to remember to tend your vegetables halfway through the cooking process. There it is. See, that's why they're all flipped. We'll see it shortly as they continue cooking. Oh, it's warm. I might as well move over here since some of those have been sacrificed. Yeah, how's the corn doing? So yeah, you want to flip your meat too. Partway through, get it cooked evenly on both sides. That nice smoky campfire flavor going through. Yum yum dim sum. Check your veggies, see when they're ready. Looks like it's pretty much there. So let's get them off. Like they're nicely cooked too, so let's get them off. There's some warm flames in there, you know. Those coals, they work good. Alright, we'll throw the next few on, we'll see you in a bit. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You're looking at those chops. Oh, baby. These things look pretty close to being done. Nope, you're wrong. See, there's a bit of blood still coming out here. So that's going to be at least a couple more minutes. Blood here. Give it up to 5 more minutes. Then you'll be ready. It's almost there. Give them a half a turn if you want. Those drill marks kicking on both sides. We'll see you shortly for the plating. There it is, legends. Food is fried. We're just about ready to get to the great plating up. onto your clean plate for the end. Chops. We'll see you for the plating. Well, legends, here it is. You like that? We finished the food. We got some nice blackened corn, some nice smoke fire pork chops, nice grilled zucchini, and some celeriac root. Well, I'll be right back with the magic of plating. Well, there it is, legends. There's your plate. You know what they say, bon appetit. So dig in and enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next one. I'm the Matterhorn. This is the Shieldborn signing off.